This bioblitz event that we did is it's not a concept that Yashe created actually. Bioblitzes have been happening around the world since the 1990s. And the breakdown of that word bioblitz refers to biodiversity. And the blitz part means that it's happening very fast within a 24-hour time period. So basically what we did is we brought together local experts, scientists, and members of communities to go out into the protected areas and record as many species as possible within 24 hours. So this was a very hands-on event. We were focused on just collecting as much as we can, information about birds, mammals, freshwater macroinvertebrates, trees, and native bees. So there's two main goals of this event. First is to collect good data, right? So species around the world are being lost at an alarming rate due to climate change, habitat loss, and other threats. And so these sort of inventory events where you're collecting data about where the species are found and how many are there are really critical to making sure that we're addressing these changes and trying to address the threats as we can. But two, the second goal is to actually inspire a second generation of conservationists and wildlife advocates. So that is why we invited people from the community, especially youths, to come and learn about the biodiversity and learn about the methods that we use to document and do research on them. So this is an event that we really hope to continue going forward, and we see this being something that we will do every year.
How many species have you identified within the 24-hour and where did it take place?
So our home base was at the Golden Stream Corridor Preserve at our field station there, but we sent teams out into the field deeper into the Golden Stream Corridor Preserve and all the way into the Bladen Nature Reserve. And in the end, after 24 hours, we recorded 220 species. So we were very, very happy to see that result.
And who all participated?
We had all of our Yashe staff, especially our rangers, who are very skilled at identification of all wildlife. And from the communities, we invited Trio, Big Falls, Bladen, San Pedro Colombia. We were targeting environmental groups because we thought that we would get, people who were really engaged and inspired and ready to do the work. And it was definitely the case. All of these students came out and they were very excited to learn and very excited to be collecting that data.